Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and today we're going to be making Monterey Spaghetti. And for that, we're going to need 6 to 8 ounces of spaghetti broken in half, 1 egg, 1 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup grated parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 3 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 1 package of chopped spinach thawed out, and 1 can of French fried onions divided into 2 sections. Honestly, this sounds pretty interesting. So, you know the drill. Let's go. First things first, we're going to get our pasta cooking. And follow the directions on the box until it is al dente, because you don't want it to be total mushy this time. While our spaghetti is boiling away in the background, we're going to be mixing our egg, garlic powder, and I added a little tiny bit of salt and pepper just to season. And we're going to beat that together really well. Once that spaghetti is all cooked, we will add in our sour cream, our spinach, which I have drained out in our strainer because we don't want all that juice in there. Gonna put in half of our crispy onions, 2 cups of our Monterey Jack cheese, saving the other half for later, or cup, our Parmesan cheese, and our egg. We're going to give that a really good stir, and we'll be putting this in our crock pot on low for the next 6 hours. And about 30 minutes before it's done cooking, it should look like this. I will say, if you're worried about the moisture content of this during its cooking process, I did add a little tiny bit of chicken broth during the cooking because it seemed like it was going to dry out. I think it helped a lot, so in the ingredients list, maybe add about a cup of chicken broth very slowly during your cooking process. Anyway, to top off our dish, we'll be adding the rest of our French onions. We'll go in and take that last remaining cheese we have and sprinkle that over the top of those. Okay, we've dished up a little of our spaghetti. Now we're going to try it out. Let's try to get a little bit of everything here. Yes, the spaghetti broke up some, and apparently that's pretty normal. Alright, I have a few thoughts about our spaghetti. Nothing bad. 1, it tastes really good. It's a nice creamy substitute to normal spaghetti concoctions. I really do actually enjoy the crunchiness of the newer fried onions we put on top. It adds a nice texture change. I do think it could use a little more moisture here or there because I'm running across those pieces of spaghetti that just got a tiny bit too dry. And that's okay, it's not a deal breaker. I also had the thoughts that this would be really good with some mushrooms or some chicken in it. Almost makes it a more complete meal instead of a side dish that it seems a little more like at this point. Either way though, I recommend you make it, and it's very good. I got it from my Slow Cooker Recipes cookbook. If you ever see it, you should grab it. It's a pretty good book. And as always, if you have any thoughts, have any comments, leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, and I will see you in the next video.